change our position, because our positioning is what's holding some of us up, because we want to do God's job instead of allowing God to do his job. Tell somebody, this year you're going to have to let God be God. You don't want to talk yet? Tell somebody, this year you're going to have to let God be God. Tell somebody, just let God be God. And tell them, if you let God be God, then everything you've been praying will hurry up and come to you. Tell somebody, it's not far away. It's right over your head, just waiting for a receiver. Tell somebody, somebody got to receive it now. See, what happened is there's a lot of people who don't have TV now because you didn't convert your digital conversion over, and you're still trying to go analog on prayer when the church went digital. I ain't got nobody here. See, you can't get a receiver now with analog prayer. I'm sorry. Analog prayer ain't gonna get you nowhere. Tell somebody, you want to upgrade, baby, go digital now. Can I find 5 folk to look at somebody and tell them I'm getting ready to go digital with 9? And so tell them, because of that, you get to block what channel you want to block. You get to tell them, if I got a kid lock on it, I'm gonna put a lock on it. Because this year you ain't gonna get my stuff. You did all right last year. 2009 was cool. I let you mess with me. I didn't know quite what was going on. I didn't have my bearings straight. But this year I came with a whole nother swag. Ain't got nobody telling my swag and chain now. It's real digital now, and I feel that this year, if we open our mouth and put our mouth on whatever it is that the devil trying to take, tell somebody, the devil will back off of you. Go, please go touch 2 people. Tell them the devil's getting ready to back off of you now. He's backing up. In this arena we're in now, we have to upgrade. We got our shout down packed. We practice our dance. I've noticed everybody putting dancing on YouTube, but I ain't seen nobody put prayer on it yet. They say, I'm not ashamed of nobody to see me cross my leg, put it behind my back and get one in. But when's the last time you put the camera on and say, YouTube, this is what real apostolic prayer looks like. If you really want to know what a prayer life is, this is what it looks like. This ain't somebody that's playing. Why you ain't downloading your prayer life on that? You want everybody to see you dancing so you get the glory. Why not get on your knees so God will get the glory? Okay. Prayer, 2 minutes. While we are dealing with prayer, there has to be a commitment to deliverance. There has to be a commitment to deliverance. And not just your deliverance, but everybody around you. Your deliverance commitment says that there's not going to be one person bound at the church I go to.